We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive and expert-driven analysis of the Vodoit wooden gaming headset stand, titled Can't Hear You I'm Playing. This product is designed as a gamer gift for teenage boys, boyfriends, men, and anyone seeking to enhance their gaming room decor or desk organization. If you own this item, please consider leaving your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description. Using it supports the channel. The Vodoit wooden gaming headset stand distinguishes itself as a functional and decorative accessory for gaming rooms, bedrooms, or workspaces. Crafted from natural wood, each stand features a unique grain texture that not only adds a rustic charm but also ensures that no two stands are exactly alike. The handmade quality is evident in the tactile feel and the visible wood grain, offering a premium touch that synthetic or plastic stands simply cannot replicate. This stand is more than just a place to hang your headphones. It is a statement piece that reflects the personality of its owner and enhances the overall aesthetic of any gaming setup. One of the most appreciated aspects of this headset stand, as echoed by users across various platforms, is its ability to bring order and organization to chaotic gaming environments. Many parents and gift givers have noted that before acquiring this stand, headphones were often left scattered across desks, beds, or even the floor, leading to tangled cords and potential damage. With the Vodoit stand, users consistently report a marked improvement in organization. The stand provides a dedicated spot for headphones, ensuring they are always within reach and protected from accidental drops or misplacement. This organizational benefit extends to other gaming essentials as well, thanks to the stand's multi-purpose design. The base can hold not only a headset, but also a phone, pens, game controllers, and even small items like USB drives or game cards, making it a versatile desk organizer. Assembly is another area where this stand excels. The product features a simple two-step assembly process that reflects the hands-on skills many gamers and teens enjoy. Reviews highlight that all necessary hardware is provided, and the instructions are clear and easy to follow. Most users report that assembly takes less than 10 minutes, requiring only minimal effort to tighten the screws and ensure stability. Once assembled, the stand is sturdy and stable, capable of supporting even heavy over-ear gaming headsets without tipping over. The wide wooden base and curved stand contribute to its robust construction, and users have expressed satisfaction with the stand's ability to remain upright and secure on a variety of surfaces, from desks to nightstands. The unique design of the Vodoit stand is frequently cited as a major selling point. The minimalist approach keeps the footprint small, which is ideal for maintaining a clean and lean desk setup. At the same time, the stand offers enough surface area to accommodate a range of accessories. The sign on the stand, which reads, "Can't hear you I'm playing," adds a playful and personal touch that resonates with gamers of all ages. This message not only serves as a humorous nod to the immersive nature of gaming, but also acts as a gentle reminder for others to respect the gamer's focus and downtime. The burnt wood pattern, achieved through a manual process, gives each stand a distinctive look, further enhancing its appeal as a decorative piece. In terms of gift potential, the Vodoit wooden gaming headset stand is consistently praised as an excellent choice for birthdays, Christmas, graduations, and other special occasions. Its universal compatibility means it can accommodate headsets of all sizes, making it a safe bet for anyone who uses headphones regularly. Gift givers appreciate the thoughtfulness of a present that is both practical and stylish, and recipients often express delight at receiving an item that immediately elevates their gaming or work environment. The stand's handmade quality and unique design make it feel special, and its utility ensures it will be used daily rather than relegated to a shelf or drawer. Durability is another strong suit of this product. The natural wood construction, combined with careful craftsmanship, results in a stand that is both sturdy and long-lasting. Users note that the stand can withstand daily use without showing signs of wear or instability. The oiled and colored finish, achieved with organic natural oils, preserves the wood's texture and appearance over time. This not only protects the stand from scratches and dings, but also makes it easy to clean and maintain. The stand's stability is further enhanced by its wide base, which prevents it from toppling over even when loaded with heavy headsets or multiple accessories. From a functional perspective, the Vodoit stand excels at protecting headphones from damage. By providing a secure and elevated resting place, the stand prevents headsets from being crushed, tangled, or exposed to spills and other hazards. This extends the lifespan of expensive gaming headsets, which is a significant benefit for serious gamers and audiophiles alike. The stand also contributes to cable management by keeping cords neatly coiled and out of the way, reducing clutter and making it easier to maintain a tidy workspace. Aesthetically, the stand is versatile enough to complement a wide range of room styles and color schemes. Its natural wood finish and minimalist design make it suitable for bedrooms, dorm rooms, offices, and dedicated gaming spaces. Users have reported positive feedback from friends and family who notice the stand and comment on its distinctive look. The stand's ability to serve as both a functional accessory and a decorative accent sets it apart from more utilitarian or plastic alternatives. Despite its many strengths, there are a few areas where the Vodoit wooden gaming headset stand could be improved. Some users mention that the wood, while sturdy, is of moderate grade and the finish may not be as refined as higher-end or custom-made stands. However, this is generally considered acceptable given the price point and the handmade nature of the product. A few reviewers note that assembling the stand requires a bit of elbow grease to ensure all pieces are tightly secured, but this is not seen as a major drawback. In fact, the assembly process is often described as straightforward and even enjoyable, particularly for those who appreciate hands-on activities. Another minor consideration is the lack of additional features such as USB ports or RGB lighting, which are present in some higher-end headset stands. However, the Vodoit stand is designed with simplicity and practicality in mind, focusing on core functionality rather than flashy extras. For users who prioritize organization, durability, and aesthetic appeal, this stand delivers exceptional value. Customer reviews consistently highlight the positive impact this stand has on daily routines. Parents appreciate the way it encourages their children to keep their gaming areas tidy, while gamers themselves enjoy the convenience of having all their essentials organized in one place. The stand's ability to hold not only headphones, but also phones, pens, and other small items makes it a central hub for gaming accessories. Its compact size ensures it does not dominate the desk, leaving plenty of room for monitors, keyboards, and other equipment. In terms of dimensions, the stand measures 9.84 inches in height, with a base measuring 6.69 inches in width and a thickness of 0.1 inches. Weighing just 11.5 ounces, it is lightweight enough to be moved easily, yet heavy enough to remain stable during use. The universal compatibility ensures it can accommodate most popular headset brands and models, making it a versatile addition to any setup. The Vodoit wooden gaming headset stand also stands out as a thoughtful gift for a wide range of recipients. Whether for a teenage son, a boyfriend, a brother, or even a dad who enjoys gaming, this stand is a practical and meaningful present. Its handmade quality and unique design make it suitable for both casual and serious gamers, and its organizational benefits are appreciated by anyone looking to declutter their workspace. In summary, the Vodoit wooden gaming headset stand is a must-have accessory for anyone seeking to enhance their gaming environment or desk organization. Its combination of natural wood craftsmanship, unique design, and practical functionality makes it a standout choice among gaming accessories. Users consistently praise its ability to bring order to chaotic spaces, protect valuable headsets, and add a personal touch to any room. While it may lack some of the advanced features found in more expensive stands, its simplicity, durability, and aesthetic appeal more than make up for it. If you are looking for a gift that will be used and appreciated every day, the Vodoit stand is an excellent option. We encourage anyone who owns this item to leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Your feedback is valuable and can make a difference for future buyers. Remember, the link to the product is in the description. Using it supports the channel and helps us continue to bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest gadgets. Whether you are a gamer, a parent, or simply someone who values organization and style, the Vodoit wooden gaming headset stand is a product that delivers on its promises and enhances any gaming or work setup.